Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make vegetable soup Indian style. First, select a colorful array of fresh vegetables like carrots, green beans, and spinach. These form the hearty base of our delicious soup. Next, gather your essential Indian spices, including cumin seeds, turmeric powder, and fresh ginger garlic paste. These aromatics are key to the authentic flavor. Finally, ensure you have a good quality vegetable broth, and, if desired, a splash of coconut milk or cream for a richer texture. Let's get cooking. Now, let's build those incredible Indian flavors. Start by heating about 2 tablespoons of your preferred cooking oil in a large pot or Dutch oven over medium heat. Once shimmering, add finely chopped onions and your ginger garlic paste, sautéing them until they turn golden brown and release their wonderful aroma, which usually takes about 3 to 5 minutes. This step is crucial for developing a deep flavor base. Then, stir in your dry spices, such as turmeric, coriander, and a pinch of red chili powder, cooking for just about 30 seconds until fragrant. Be careful not to burn them. With our aromatic base ready, it's time to add the stars of the show, your chopped vegetables. Toss in your carrots, peas, and any other hearty veggies, then pour in about 4 cups of rich vegetable broth. Bring the mixture to a gentle boil, then reduce the heat to low, cover, and let it simmer for 15 to 20 minutes, or until the vegetables are tender. Finally, for that fresh, vibrant finish, stir in a generous handful of fresh cilantro and a squeeze of fresh lime juice. This brightens all the flavors beautifully. Your delicious Indian vegetable soup is almost ready. Now for the best part, serving and enjoying your homemade Indian vegetable soup. Ladle the hot soup into bowls, and if you like, add a dollop of plain yogurt or a swirl of coconut cream for extra richness. It pairs wonderfully with warm naan bread or a side of fluffy basmati rice. Garnish with a little extra fresh cilantro or a sprinkle of black pepper for a final touch. This soup is not only comforting, but also packed with nutrients and incredible flavor. Before you go, remember that life's too short for cheap socks. Check the description for a link to some amazing ones with a lifetime warranty, plus other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.